For let's share my screen first. And we are doing Workstream number 3, the second half of it, because I did the first portion, but I did not know the correct name for the first portion. So the full name of this work stream is Enabling Our Talent. The first initiative is Grow Workday Knowledge, and that I did in the first Workstream 3 recording called entitled Workstream 3A. It will require business users helping IT design a plan to learn without only relying on Workday training classes and maybe having some accountability. So, number 2 in this work stream, the second initiative is continue to leverage our service centers. I'm going to read it. It says, work in alignment with HR and IT functions to continue growing our capabilities and deliver the right work in the right place. I'm not really sure what that means. I need them to break down that in more detail before I can um, even imagine what they're talking about. Um, but they said grow capabilities, so maybe we're talking about training. So if that is the case, then expanding our Workday Extend and Copilot and automation training to our service centers. And my Microsoft hackathon in person is the only thing I can think about there. So let's go on to number 3. The third and final initiative in the Enabling Our Talent workstream is named Progress IT Skills Management. Reading it, it says, continue building our skills assessment for IT and develop target training and development plans to close gaps. And this is IT specific. So the stuff that I've mentioned in the Grow Workday Knowledge is a good pattern for other skills. The other skills being automation and AI and APIs that are relevant from what I've seen. Some Azure Data Lake stuff possibly, and how to support reporting without doing the reporting. Um, one we should need an analysis of Workday's skills capabilities, an analysis of Microsoft skills capabilities, the potential of incorporating Work Eightfold into that if Microsoft has Eightfold incorporated in the Viva for free, and just seeing what the full capabilities are of the potential, the suite that we own already, and the add-ons that are there, and the Eightfold stuff is future functionality that's not available yet, but that Microsoft thought was valuable enough. So, Andrew, I think, I mean, without us, if we're getting rid of Eightfold, which we are getting rid of Eightfold for talent acquisitions, that might change Microsoft wanting us to pilot their Eightfold portion incorporated into Viva. That's okay. I think with the skills in Workday and the Copilot AI, I think that gets us so far ahead of the game that it is not a major deal that we would even be able to leverage the stuff in Eightfold if they do have some things that are add value beyond those things. So for this, in addition to learning the Workday skills portion, the light source, and all of our other skill stuff now and present, we also need to look at enhancing the Workday skills assessment capability with Workday Extend, not an Extend application necessarily, Extend functionality. So focusing on building application components instead of full business applications is where I'm going with this, as I am proposing to the architects that we classify some of these things um, as application modules or components. Another completely other thing, that is the end of this analysis, but I need to add a task to send to the architecture team in writing specific recommendation that we utilize architectural modules and components instead of calling everything a business module, a business application in our CMDB. And that should do it.